In this video, we'll cover the basics of configuring the DevExtreme DX dropdown box widget. It consists of a text field, which displays the current value, and a dropdown field, which can contain any UI element. In this video, we'll use the DX list widget. To select an item, click the widget and choose it from the dropdown list. To unselect an item, click the X button. Let's look at how to work with it. I've already created a simple web page and added references to the following libraries, jQuery and DevExtreme. I've also referenced DevExtreme styles that correspond to the light theme. Like any widget from the DevExtreme library, the DX dropdown box widget can be added using the jQuery, AngularJS, or Knockout approach. Here, I'm using jQuery. First, we need to add the DX dropdown box widget. Here's how it looks with default settings. It's a container with an empty pop-up window. Let's add the DX list. I'll specify a custom template using the Content Template option. Now add the DX list as content. Next, let's set up a data source for the list. I've already prepared an array of objects representing a list of fruits. Let's assign this array to the widget's data source configuration option. And here's how the drop-down box looks with the nested DX list. Now the pop-up shows a list of items from our data source. However, when I click an item, nothing happens with the drop-down box editor. Let's add synchronization between the nested DX list and drop-down box editor. Handle the DX list on item click event and set the DX drop-down box value as the clicked DX list. I'll also call the drop-down box close method to hide the pop-up window when the list item is clicked. Now I'll set the drop-down box's default values as apples and set the list's selection mode to single. Okay, let's take another look. When refreshed, apples loads as the default value, and when you choose an item in the dropdown, it's selected in the window. Now let's add the ability to clear the editor's value. Define the Show Clear button option. To synchronize this action with the list selection, I'll handle the dropdown box's value changed event inside the Content Template function. Call the function to select or deselect a DX list item. Here, treelist is an instance of our DX list. And let's take another look. Now when I click the Clear button, the selection is cleared. The last thing I'll do is synchronize the default drop-down box's value with the DX list selection. Handle the list's onContentReady event and call the sync treelist selection method that I defined before. And let's take one last look. And that's it for this video. To learn more about our DX dropdown box, make sure to check out the documentation on our website. Or you can learn more about our DevExtreme widgets by playing more videos from our playlist. You can also subscribe to our channel for all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.